everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just to show you this 2026 Ram 2500 that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the truck today just to show you some of the features and options that this Ram 2500 Limited has to offer. Now, being the limited trim level, that does mean you get absolutely tons of great features packed into this truck. Coming around towards the back, of course, your park sensor, your sensors across the back bumper, everything you need for your towing, hauling capabilities, backup camera. You also do have your power tailgate, so you can easily access the bed. Spray and box liner, as you can see there. Now this truck also does come with your night edition package, so that does mean you have all of your blackout badging across the truck. You also do have power running boards equipped, as you can see there. Back seat, plenty of space back there with the crew cab style. Plenty of legroom for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. In that second row, you do have some USB port hookups as well as your heated back seats, sunroof up top. Checking out some of the features up front here. So you do have your passenger side interactive display, main display, very user-friendly interface with the Uconnect system equipped in there. So access, of course, to all of your kind of settings and apps in through there. Navigation is also equipped in there, as well as your Bluetooth capabilities, climate control options, dual climate control on either side, as you can see there, heated vented front seats, heated steering wheel, and access to all of your audio and media controls. Either side of the screen, again, just your basic kind of climate control options, audio, media controls. Below your screen, your trailer brake control, all of your USB port, HDMI hookups, wireless chargers just down and below that. Tons of space in that center console area. Key fob for the truck here. Remote start is included. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to your cruise control options, adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth, Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side, audio media controls in behind the steering wheel, all of your power windows, locks, side mirrors, memory driver's seat. So that's just a quick look at this 2026 Ram 2500. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.